So now let's come to the Reebok challenge, which is around three. Okay, if you go here, you will click here around three challenge. Okay, so now I had already posted a video before. You can check in my channel around two. Okay, so in around two, the goal was little simpler. Okay, because there was no kind of this thing, right? Uh, any kind of object type of years. It was just plain and simple. But here in around three, if you say there is an object also, okay, like this, right? So how to solve this challenge? So here we have to kind of have a very generic code of tracing the bot, okay, along the right side of the wall continuously. Okay, basically that is what it is, whether we have an object or or we do not have an object in the front. Okay, so let's get into the code directly. So if you see here, so what I have done is I have done the uh, turn right definition, and that's all we need as a function definition. Okay, so three turn lefts will become turn right. Okay, so now what I am doing, that if you see in the Reebok's keyboard, there is a put statement which will put an object. Okay, so that it is a marker. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is put the object. Okay, and then we will have to have two conditions basically to just get the bot moving, basically the initialization part. Okay, so what I am saying is ki if you have the wall in front and wall on the right, okay, then just turn left and move one step. Okay, that is the thing, first condition. If because our bot is facing in this direction, east direction, if there is no wall in the front, then just move one step. Okay, so that we put and basically our marker basically, and we initialize the bot saying that kind of I've started. Okay, now we'll have to kind of do the entire while loop to come back to where we started. Okay, so once I put the object and I move, then I'll have to keep on moving. Okay, following the basically the wall, and reach till where the object starts, and as soon as the object where I started reaches, then my loop is going to get closed. Okay, so for that obviously we'll have to use a while loop. So our code is if not object here. Okay, so we don't have the object here because we have already moved one step above. Okay, so then what we'll do, if there is no wall in the front, okay, and we have wall on the right. Okay, so basically we are tracking the wall, right? So we just have to keep moving basically. Okay, suppose if there is a wall in the front, okay, because we have bumped onto a wall, let's say here. Okay, and there is wall on the right as well. Okay, right, so then there's no other place to go apart from turning left. Okay, so that's why we have done the turn left. Okay, and then the third loop will come here ki if there is no wall on the right. Okay, so basically like if wall is the front and wall on the right. Okay, right. Okay, so we turn left and then we move. Okay, and then we come to this condition where we do not have any you know wall on the right. So then what we do, we turn right and move as long as we don't get any wall in the right. Okay, because our main aim is to track the wall. So again there is a sub while loop here ki while not wall on the right. Okay, so just we'll have to move and kind of come to the place where we find the wall. Okay, right. So this way will ensure that we track the wall. Okay, so in this case it is simple only because it's straightforward, but in some cases like a maze scenario where you may not have a straightforward path, this kind of code will come in handy over there. Okay, and then then move, and then again you will have wall, again you will have like not wall in the front and wall on the right, keep moving. And then again if you have like, say, you get to a place where you do not have wall on the right, then you have to turn right and move. Then you will have again wall on the right, and then again you will have wall in the front, and wall on, and then wall on the right. So you'll turn left, and then similarly the bot will keep on moving till the time it does not reach the object, right? So I hope that this code here is clear. Okay, so this is almost the entire code here which you can see. Okay, right, so this is the code. So now I'll just give you a demo of how this is working. Okay, so I'll just click run and start this thing here. See, so as you see, the object is already put, and now it's just kind of tracing this wall only fully. Okay, so you see here, right, just is tracing, 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 tracing. Okay, right, again, it just bumped, and then going turns left. Okay, again there is, here there is no wall in the right, so it turns right, and then goes till the place where it finds wall on the right, and then again it keeps tracing. So here then it has to turn left. Okay, goes here, and the same thing repeats. Okay, and then it comes here, and then again it has to turn right, and boom, this challenge is complete. Okay, so this is an efficient way of writing the code, not just for this kind of thing. If the object structures are a little different also, this code is pretty generic and it can work. So I hope you understood the code. If you have any questions regarding this challenge or any specific part of the code you want to understand better, then you can please drop your comments. I'll be very happy to answer. And if you have any other such kind of challenge where you're stuck at, you can just message, and I'll just try to see if I can solve this. Or if you have any better way of solving this according to your knowledge, which is better than what I have shared here, then I'll be very happy to learn from you. So if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and do support my channel. And a lot of good technical and non-technical videos related to career and stuff, software or electronics, and different kind of navigating career related things. Multiple technical, non-technical things are going to come forth in the coming few months. A lot of exciting stuff. So please make sure you do subscribe to the channel, guys, and support it. uh, Thank you for your time, guys. Have a nice day.